So see there what I'm doing here. I took a screenshot of the table, this table, because I want a table like this for our trainees list, right? And edit update button, edit delete update button, right? So for that I have taken a screenshot, attached that screenshot here, okay, in the prompt, and asked that create a table like this for trainees listing, and also add button on top of the corner for schedule new. Okay, means there will be one button here. When you will click on schedule new, then another form will be open where we will select the we will provide all the details, and the flight will be automatically added. Okay, so yeah, this is it. And we are going to make two tabs. One will be like the trainees, and another will be like uh, the flight, where flight you can go and add flight, update flight, delete flight, something like that. Okay, means you will be able to do the crud. So yeah, so the prompt should be like this. You write the text what you want. Okay, you attach the screenshot like I want UI like this. Okay, and it will perform. Or let's do something like this. We will take this like this, that I want two tabs. Create add two tabs. First, trainees, and second, and flights. CRUD for flights, and now here we have to define, like, see, I told that flight, for flight we want CRUD, but for trainees what we want, we don't want CRUD, we need just add and view, right? We are not going to delete, update, or something like that. So we have to mention, like, for trainee table, for trainee, add listing of the trainees, and add a button called schedule flight now, called schedule flight now. And you can change this by going inside the code, whatever the name you need you can do. Okay, so here, this is the complete prompt, like add two tabs, trainee and flights. For trainees, add listing of the trainees. Okay, and a button to schedule a button called schedule flight now. Okay, and we have to tell what we have to do in schedule flight now. On click of schedule flight now button, we have to show a model pop-up asking for this details, these inputs, we can say inputs. I'll go here, I'll pick what we need, right? These things, right? Trainee name, start date. Okay, then location and client. For date we are going to use use date picker, use date picker. Okay, and for location it's a string. Okay, it's a airport name or the city name wherever you are landing, right? This is also name string. Okay, like first name and name and first name as per our data tables, right? And client type will be like a Sonatrach or other company name, or we can say non Sonatrach. Okay, and now we will click enter and it will start making the change. Okay, so let's do it. Yesterday I created the tables. Okay, you see here in core, you will come, you will see migration. Here we have the tables, table destination, trainees, flight, right? And this is the day table. And for day table we need entries, right? For 7 days of entries. So this is called seed. When you want to seed some data in a table, I mean put some data in a table, you create seed file. So what happens when you will run this migration on live server, your table will be created and this data will be added. Okay, so this is it. So here you see the path has been adding, like flights, list of flights, create flight, edit flight, delete flight, like this, right? So this is the backend. Okay, this is the APIs which is going to be used in front end. Front end will be like, so these methods you will find. Okay, let me just close this. So okay, okay, so here it is making the change. You see, views has been added, the path like trainees list, schedule list. There is two path, right? And then for flight, same thing, like create list, edit and delete, the function I told you earlier. And here it is asking me to run the server again. So created here we have created the trainees management. Okay, you see there is two tabs, trainees and flights, right? By clicking here you can add more trainee. Now it is performing itself, you see, right? And beautiful UI, name, first name. Here you will select the date, location, okay, and client type. Okay, So once you will click schedule, it will confirm and add the user. Okay. So I'm sharing you this video and the code as well. So you can say that as of now I'm here. I'm at the final stage where I just have to make the entries and have to connect the flights with the schedule form. So that once you will create the schedule here, it will add the trainee. Okay.